In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot and chain. Starting with the slip knot, you'll wrap the yarn around your fingers in the direction away from you. Hold the yarn tail with your pinky and the working end of your yarn with your thumb, creating an X. Next, you'll insert your hook under the front piece of yarn at the top of your X, pick up the back piece of yarn, and pull it under. Now you will twist your hook to create a loop. Then hold that loop with your thumb and pointer finger on the hand that is holding your hook and slide your fingers out. Now you will pull the yarn tail and the working yarn to create a tight loop on your hook. And you can tighten that up so that it is close against your hook. This is a slip knot. For a chain, you will wrap the yarn around your hook and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. There we have 3 chains so far. Yarn over, pull through, that's 4. Yarn over, pull through, 5. Yarn over, pull through, that's 6. Yarn over, pull through is 7, and so on. Continue moving your grip on your chain up in order to keep consistent tension. And that is how you make a slip knot and chain.